Sex trafficking is not a joke. This is what happened to a girl named Katie. Oh, hey, Daddy. Yeah, I'm just getting into my car. I'm done with all my classes and everything, so I'll be home really shortly. Yeah, I love you too. Don't worry, I'll be fine. Yeah, I'm in the parking garage right now. Everything is good, don't worry about it. Yeah. I'll see you soon. Love you.
Hey! Get on the bike! Get on the bike right now! Get on the bike! Get on the bike! Get on the bike right now! Who's starting? Get on the bike! Get on the bike right now! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Go! 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 Hi, we have a special on a girl from Maryland actually tonight, and her name's Candy. Alright, we start the bidding at $30,000. Alright, $30,000 there. Alright, $40,000. Alright, anybody? 50? 50 anybody? 50,000?
No.
50,000, going once, going twice. 50,000 right there to that man. Meet me out there, meet me in the corner back over there. All right, sir?
Okay. Yeah, we got 50,000. Okay. American girl from Maryland.
Hey there.
Hey.
Want to have a good time?
Yeah, how much for the night?
Can you handle it?
I can handle that.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm done. Thanks, man.
Come back anytime, bro.
Alright, man. See you.
Candy. Candy. Candy, wake up. Candy. Candy. Stop that guy. Candy's dead.